Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Ford F-350. This F-350 is featured in a gray paint finish and is the Lariat trim. Under the hood is our 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8 engine, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and our 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle, we have 5-passenger seating on our black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in both the front and back of the vehicle with a vented option in the front of the vehicle, a powered moonroof, as well as our GPS navigation. Also have rear park assist with cross-traffic detection, our powered trailering mirrors with our blind spot monitors, as well as more inside of the vehicle. Outside the vehicle, we have our black alloy XD wheels with 37-inch Toyo tires, a spray-on bed liner, assist steps, as well as a powered tailgate. Moving into the front of the vehicle, just above our power mirrors, we have our mirror extend settings, power mirrors below with folding settings, as well as our power windows with rear window lock, door handle tucked inside with a chrome finish. Then below we have power locks with 3 driver seat memories, storage throughout the door, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, those are our lights for our mirrors. Then we have all of our lighting controls around, power tailgate, as well as power adjustable pedals, and our park brake release below. Power driver seat with lumbar assist, finished in our black leather throughout. Getting into the vehicle, looking above our steering wheel, can see our display cluster. Can see throughout we have our My View, trip computers, our info, towing settings, as well as off-road settings, and all of our settings throughout. Can see we have blind spot, cross-traffic alert, rear park assist, trailer blind spot, pre-collision alerts, cruise, as well as more throughout. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, this is the controls for that display cluster information system. Below it, adaptive cruise settings. Right-hand side, volume and hands-free. Then we have our actual hands-free. This is just our radio hands-free. Volume mute, as well as our voice recognition, all throughout on the bottom there. Tow haul mode is on our shifter, and we can see the shifter above. Push to start ignition just below and to the right of the steering wheel. Then we have our transfer case settings. We can see we have a locking rear differential, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low drive modes. Above, diesel exhaust brake, traction control, our hazard lights, downhill assist, as well as our cameras. You can see we have a surround view camera system. Then we have our audio system. If we go in, we have sources at the top left, AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Can adjust our climate straight through our screen, phone connection, GPS navigation, as well as our apps, as well as settings. Below it, we have volume controls, all of our media hotkeys, as well as our tune. A little bit of storage above with our Sony speaker. Passenger side had a 12-volt plug and a 110-volt plug. Moving below that, we have our CD player, as well as our dual-zone climate control. We have front and rear defrost, as well as heated and cooled driver and passenger seat below. Also have AC, as well as max AC. Just to the left of that, our integrated trailer brake controller. Below, some storage with 2 USBs. We have 4 cup holders in the front of the vehicle. You can also see our key in our cup holders. On it, we have locks and unlocks, our remote start, power tailgate, as well as alarm system. Moving into the center console, we have a push button on the front. This is the controls for our DVD system in the back of the vehicle. We have some removable storage, as well as some deep storage in the bottom with a 12-volt plug. Passenger seat also finished in our black leather and heated, cooled, powered for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror, all of our dome lighting controls are on the left-hand side as well as the right-hand side. Sunroof cover, as well as our powered sunroof settings. Then above it, we have all of our aux hotkeys, power sliding third rear window. On the overhead for the driver, a universal garage door opener with 3 settings. Then lastly, we can see our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black XD rim with our 35-inch Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors with a chrome assist step and paint match door handles with keyless entry. FX4 off-road badging near the back of the bed. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, trailer hitch in the center, Ford and our Super Duty badging on the back. Have our powered liftgate or tailgate, which we can just hit a button underneath and can open it up. Inside the bed of the truck, cable tie downs, as well as in-bed lighting in both the front and the back, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the rest of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets. You can also see our headphones for our DVD system, which we have on the back of either of our seats. Also a storage pocket on the passenger seat. Between the two seats, 2 cup holders with some storage, as well as 2 vents, 2 USBs, a 110 volt plug, 12 volt plug, and our heated outboard seats in the center. Moving to the second row seats, we have a 60/40 folding bench split, finished in our black leather. In the center seat, foldable cup holders. We can just push on the front. We can see we have our 2 cup holders. Then we have a power sliding third rear window behind. To lift up the seats, all we have to do is simply press up on the front. We have some under seat storage, as well as all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Ford F-350. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.